Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up YubiKey credentials using secure enrollment step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your YubiKey and the device you will use to manage your credentials. Ensure your YubiKey is plugged into your computer or mobile device. Visit the official YubiKey website to download the YubiKey Manager application. Install the YubiKey Manager by following the on-screen instructions. Once installation is complete, open the YubiKey Manager application. Insert your YubiKey into the USB port if it isn't already connected. Click on the Applications tab in the YubiKey Manager interface. Select FIDO from the list of application options. You may need to authenticate your YubiKey using a touch or PIN code. Locate the Manage Credentials section within the FIDO options. Select Export Credentials to initiate the backup process. Follow the prompts to create a secure backup of your credentials. Choose a secure location on your device to save the exported credentials. Ensure the backup file is encrypted and protected with a strong password. Verify the contents of the backup file to ensure it includes your credentials. Consider saving a copy of the backup file to a secure cloud service for redundancy. Once completed, safely remove your YubiKey from the device. Close the YubiKey Manager application. Your YubiKey credentials are now successfully backed up using secure enrollment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.